Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Arctic Fox 990 truck camper. Come on inside. This has the Fox landing package, so it's a real easy entry into the camper. Large assist handle. 2019 they made a couple small minor changes. Wi-Fi Ranger ready on the roof, already pre-installed. The large one-piece basin stainless steel sink with a very large cutting board, and then a 1 cubic foot larger refrigerator. So anyways, here's the kitchen here. Nice kitchen area. We got our drawers. Nice clear plywood. Positive catches, under storage compartment underneath the sink. Large oven, 3 shelves, 3 burner cooktop. It will stay open there for us. Overhead range with this is going to have our fan and light built into it. Microwave. Overhead cabinetry, plenty of storage. Kitchen window, solar on the roof, AM, FM, CD, DVD, Kenwood stereo system, full monitor panel all in one place, real easy to get to. The skylight with shade in the kitchen area, lets in lots of light. The bedroom area. This has got a crowned roof, so plenty of height sitting at the bed with the fantastic fan above the bed area. Windows, closet space, storage on both sides of the bed. 110, 12 volt and USB with cup holders at the head of the bed as well. In here we have storage. We got an extra table here for added counter space that would mount right here. Fold down the leg, and then by travel, stores inside the closet here. So it makes it real easy there. Curtain that folds across for the bed. So now we have the private bedroom. Little magazine rack here, or what have you there. The large refrigerator. Gas and electric. Nor cold. Refrigerator, freezer. The dinette. Notice this on the Arctic Fox campers, they all make a full wall slide. So the refrigerator and the dinette both slide out together all in one big slide. This particular model has a dual pane window option. When this makes into a dinette or a bed, it is a full 6-foot bed, so very large secondary bed. Little storage underneath on both sides with a nice big drawer on the end. And a little bit of storage underneath here. Nice shower, one piece, sink, toilet, wet bath. And then one more thing in the kitchen here, it's got the pull-out pantry with adjustable baskets. And a fixed pantry right below. Full walkable roof. They show in their brochure with 36 people on the roof. It's a wood truss bowed roof, so very, very strong. Water shed, snow shed, nothing will sit up on the roof and stay there. It'll all run off. The large ladder to access the roof. The friction hinge door with double window. Screens, curtains on both top and bottom window. This one's going to have the 2500 watt LP generator. LP quick disconnect for our outside heater or barbecue or what have you. This has the full all 4 corner power jacks. Fox landing folds up for travel mode. So if we have a boat hitch or something sticking out, we got plenty of room. Or we can travel with it down. Full power awning out the back. Speakers for the stereo system, so we got outside stereo speakers. Patio light, LED, everything's LED throughout on this unit. Magnetic catches, outside to inside basement storage underneath the dinette. One piece from down below here, wrapped up all the way, is one piece with no seams. So a lot less chance of it being, you know, creating a leak later on down the road. It's got the stick-on emblem for the Arctic Fox up top, gives it a nice appearance. Again, everything, marker lights, are all LED lights. Gas and electric hot water heater, freshwater fill, outside shower, battery compartment here big enough for two 12-volt batteries, or if we remove the pull-out tray, it is large enough for two 6-volt batteries. Again, like I said, all pre-wired and wired for the solar on the roof. Has the solar on the roof already. Diamond plate against the bottom here. Satellite and park cable hookup, short cord hookup. And then we have the large LP propane tanks. You got two 7-gallon tanks instead of 5s like most people put in their truck campers. So large capacities, 50-some gallons of fresh water, large gray and black tanks as well. Access inside here. Back to the bumper, we got storage for our sewer hose that lays inside there. Makes it real easy to get into. And then if we remove the step here, we got a 4-foot joey tray that pulls out for storage underneath there. That's kind of a quick summary on this 19 Arctic Fox 990 truck camper. If you have any further questions or would like a little more detail, again, my name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My number direct is 541-979-1770. If you don't contact me, I can't help you out, so feel free, make sure you ask for Clay.Thompson. Appreciate it. Have a great day.